Okay, friend, this is a Symphony Light 32 cooler for hostel purposes.
35T.
35T. Let's do the unboxing. This costs around 8,500 in local market.
Guys, I need help.
I think we have to change the orientation.
Okay, this is so heavy.
Okay.
But I can do it! I did it! I did it!
Okay. So this is our cooler. As you can see, the size is very compact and it's a room cooler.
What about here?
Okay, so this is used to fill water. How many liters can it? Okay, so it has a capacity of 35 liters and it will work overnight.
This one is first down. That sounds good. Where?
This is the power card.
Decent size power cord.
The length is good enough. Let's turn it on.
Good. Let it high, bro. What the fuck? Okay.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah, like most of the people usually buy this for household purposes. Thank you.
अबे इसको पहले निकाल.
हाँ क्या?
स्क्रू ड्राइवर से लगा.
को मार तो.
सीधा अंदर जाएगा.
इतने अंदर जाता है इसमें कोई आगे. इसका अंदर भी जाएगा.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
जब रखेगा पानी भरेगा अपने घुस जाएगा अंदर. ऐसे करने में टूट भी सकता है. पूरा अंदर घुसा हुआ है. पूरा अंदर घुसा हुआ है.
गया.
रुकना.
अच्छा ये.
पता नहीं.